Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to deal with blackout restrictions on the MLB Ballpark app. So if you're expecting a secret trick to bypass MLB blackout restrictions, then here's what you should know. The truth is, MLB blackout restrictions are based on broadcasting rights and cannot be legitimately bypassed throughout the app. First, you need to make sure your device's location services are enabled and that the MLB Ballpark app has permission to access your location. Next, verify that you're signed in with the correct MLB account if you're using an eligible subscription. And if you're traveling, your location may affect which games are available. And if you believe you're seeing a blackout in error, then you need to contact MLB support to have your account and location reviewed. So that was what you can do if you're experiencing blackout restrictions in the MLB Ballpark app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.